Hello, future scholars and achievers. Welcome to Study Plus. I am beyond excited to embark on this incredible journey with you. Whether you are a high school senior or a bachelor degree holder or a master's degree aiming for your dream university or want to find job globally, you have come to the right place. In this video, we are diving headfirst into the exhilarating world of admission and scholarship applications. I know firsthand how nerve-wracking this process can be. The sleepless nights, the endless forms, the nail-biting anticipation, but fear not. This video is designed to be your guiding light, your go-to resource, and your cheerleading squad throughout this exhilarating journey. Think of me as your virtual mentor, your trusted companion who's been through it all and is here to share the tips, tricks, and strategies that will give you that competitive edge. From crafting a compelling personal statement to acing those interviews, we have got it all covered.
Hello, viewers. Today I'll be taking you to Berea College. This is a university in the United States of America, and it offers a fully funded scholarship, as you don't need to pay any tuition. So, as you can see, there's no tuition, zero. You don't need to pay for it. It is fully funded. I will take you through the application processes and the scholarship processes, what you need to do in order to gain admission into this prestigious university in the United States of America. First of all, what you need to do is that you can explore the various programs on this particular website. So you can go to the menu, then you go to the academics here, then you can scroll down and go to additional pages, then you go to department and programs. So these are the various Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Science programs they offer in terms of African Studies, Agriculture and Natural Resources, Art and History, Asian Studies, Biology, Chemistry, Child and Family Studies, Computer Science, Communication, Economics and Business, Education Studies, English, Foreign Languages, General Studies, and many more. So once you get to know your course of interest, then you are good to go. Then you can go to the application process. Okay, so we can go to admissions and aid. Okay, so once you get to admissions and aid, you can go to the apply button. Then, if you're a first year student, if you're a domestic student, you go to first year student. If you're a transfer student and you're domestic, you go there. But then, if you're an international student, then you have to go to international student application, category. So you can learn more from here. Now, in terms of the application deadline for international students, the early action date is October 15th. And then the regular admission or the regular application deadline is January 15th, but it is important that you apply early to be considered in terms of the scholarship. So for international students, the early action deadline, it's October 15th. Now, you get a decision notification by mid-December if you apply early, and then you get a notification by mid-March if you apply on the application deadline of January 15th. Now, there is a deposit which needs to be paid by 15th February. That's the early action application deadline, or May 1st. That is when you apply, on or before January 15th deadline. I will talk about this deposit. Now, these are the application processes and the materials that you need to, or the document that you need to upload. First of all, the application process is for free online. There is no application fee for this particular university in the US. So you need to write a personal essay, and the personal essay must be 2 to 5 pages and must contain the following guidelines. You must have an overview of your educational and life experiences. And then you're also supposed to, I mean, let's answer this question. That is what you plan to do after completing your education, why you wish to return to your home country, and then a description of the ways you have positively impacted your community. So, because the content of this essay is an important part of evaluating the student for admission, it is your advantage to add details. A copy of your official secondary school's very important, you need to upload it. Is it National Higher Diploma results or a West African examination results? Whether A level or O level results, you can upload it in terms of the bachelor application. Now, number four is that you need a recommendation form. The recommendation form is actually on the website. When you are applying for the process, you get a recommendation form. Now you upload this recommendation form and then you give it to your recommender to fill and then sign. Then you upload this on the website. Otherwise, you can get a recommendation letter from your recommender. That this recommendation letter needs to be signed and stamped for official purposes. Now, number five is financial resource recommendation form, which is important. This form has to be filled by a school administrator, your employer, a religious leader, or any other individual who can make a statement about your personal and financial resources. The recommendation form, the financial recommendation form needs to be written in English as well. Official test scores. I mean, this one determines your ability to speak English, to write English. And so it's important that you get an IELTS, a TOEFL, SAT, or ACT. Any of these things can prove your English proficiency. Now, number seven is international financial questionnaire. This questionnaire needs to be answered during the application processes. Okay, so these are the application guidelines and the documents you need. If you need more information, you can sign up to the Worldwide Wednesdays. I mean, this Worldwide Wednesdays are just a virtual, program that if you sign up gives you more information about getting to know Berea College. So you can do that by clicking on any of these links here. There'll be September 6th here. I mean, you can apply, you can sign up so that you can be able to join the virtual, program so that you get more insight into the application procedure from the university. So any of these days, you can sign up for them. Let's look at the frequently asked questions. This frequently asked questions gives you more insight into what the application process entails and all the things that you need to do in order to gain admission. First of all, the application deadline, which I have initially talked about. When are admission decisions made? Now, admission decisions are made, as I said earlier, depends on which of the deadlines you follow, whether the early action deadline or the regular deadline will determine when you are going to get your admissions. Okay, so you can go through all the questionnaires or all the frequently asked questions so that you get more insight into the application process at Berea College in the United States of America. Okay, thank you for your time.